Hello everyone, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access coming at you live from the Oakley Home Access Safety Center here in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Today we are going to be talking about a big hot topic this time of year around the holidays with a lot of hosting going on, a lot of visitors. It's the phenomena of visitability. It is essentially the idea that our homes are made or built or retrofitted in a way that our loved ones with perhaps mobility issues are able to access the home and enter and exit with ease, and perhaps a grab bar or two in the bathroom, maybe in the toileting areas or the shower area if they're going to be spending the evening, spending the night, and perhaps bathing the next day. So elderly visitors is very common around now, folks with walkers or wheelchairs. So we're not saying that everyone needs to go get a ramp for the holiday season. However, we do rent the ramps. So folks that are having visitors that will be requiring wheelchair access, by all means, we can rent these modular ramp systems that we can customize to any entrance. We have a 3-month minimum, but especially around the holidays, we're able to waive that minimum, and as little as the weekend or a week or two, we're able to accommodate those needs. So please give us a call, 429-3882. Stop by the showroom. You can try out one of these ramps if one of your loved ones is coming to visit for an extended period of time. You can certainly explore the rental program we have for these aluminum modular ramps. Now, for folks that are visiting your home that may be able to still walk up the stairs but utilize a walker or a cane out in the community or at home, handrails, railings are going to be really important as they enter your house, especially when it's wet and slippery. Aluminum, vinyl, wooden, there's a lot of options. Just something for folks to hold on to. Both sides is always preferred, of course, as they're walking up and down the stairs, visiting you, bringing your kids all their presents and everything like that. So always happy to have visitors. Want to make it accessible and safe for them so they don't fear going over your house. So that's it for us this week. Visitability. You can learn more about that topic on our latest blog on our website, oakleyhomeaccess.com. Always follow us, like us, share our stuff on Facebook. We do a lot of education and outreach on Facebook and Twitter. Come by the showroom, 322 South Pier Road here in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Give us a call, 401-429-3882 to set up your free home safety evaluation. Thanks. Have a great holiday season.